How to activate Chase debit card on app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Chase debit card using Chase mobile application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Chase application on your mobile device, and here in this interface, you will need to tap on this password or the fingerprint recognition in order to log into your account. Here I'm selecting password. Now here you will need to enter your username and your password in order to log into your account. Once you have entered your username and password, tap on the sign in button right here in order to sign into your account. And once you are logged into your account, now you will need to look for the section that displays your cards. You'll be able to find this option on the home screen under the account tab. There you will need to tap on the option for activating your card. You may also need to confirm that you have received your new card before proceeding, and follow any additional prompts provided to you in the application to complete the activation process. After that, you will be able to activate your Chase debit card. Since debit card is designed to use at ATM, if you prefer not to use the application, you may also activate your card by visiting the nearby Chase ATM and there insert your debit card and enter your PIN. This will activate your card immediately. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate your Chase debit card on application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.